In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timers in Microsoft Teams meetings. If you want to keep a meeting organized, manage speaking time, or stay on schedule during presentations, the timer feature in Microsoft Teams can be really helpful. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference when you need to keep discussions focused and avoid running over time. To get started, make sure you're already in a Microsoft Teams call or meeting. This feature is accessed while the meeting is active, so join your call first and wait until the meeting controls are visible on your screen. If you don't immediately see the controls, moving your mouse or tapping the screen will usually bring them up. Once you're in the meeting, look for the More option in the meeting toolbar. This is where Teams places extra tools and features that aren't always shown on the main control bar. Click on More to open the expanded menu. Take a moment to scan the list, because this is where you'll find several useful meeting options. From that menu, click on Timer. This opens the timer tool so you can begin setting it up. If you're using this during a live meeting, it's a good idea to do this smoothly and confidently so you can keep the flow of the meeting going without much interruption. After opening the timer, select Timer. This is the step where you choose the timer option you want to use. Depending on what you need, this can help you manage a specific speaking segment, a team activity, or a timed discussion. Make sure you confirm the correct timer selection before starting, especially if you're trying to keep the meeting moving at a steady pace. When everything is ready, click on Start. As soon as you do, the timer begins running. At that point, everyone involved can follow the countdown and stay aware of the time remaining. This is especially useful for team updates, brainstorming sessions, interview panels, or any meeting where equal time and structure matter. And that's all it takes to add a timer in Microsoft Teams meetings. It's a quick feature to use, but it can really improve time management and help meetings feel more professional and efficient. If you plan to use timers often, it may help to practice once in a casual meeting so you can get comfortable finding the option quickly.